What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm just cruising around talking some nonsense, how I dropped my bike and among other things. I also encountered 3 bad Volvo drivers, and guys, I'm starting to think no Volvo drivers can drive cars at all, like seriously. It's a good POV video if you ask me, please enjoy.
App, vad gör du? Alltså, är du dum i huvudet eller jävla... You saw that guys? What a like, what the like, seriously. You could have killed me.
Preem Evolution. Preem... Bad Evolution. Preem bad gas.
Ooh, this gas smells, it's bad gas. If you have to fill up your gas tank, don't do it at Preem. The gas smells bad.
You know when the gas smells good? It smells bad. Really bad. Really bad. Blah. My poor tiger. How much? 14 liters. People here can't drive. Apparently, as you just saw, I almost got run over by an old fart. We can go a small trip, but then I have to go home. We'll have to go to the store and pick up some groceries, me and my wife.
I can't with this queues. Like, why? Why did I even choose this road? Perfect stop. Perfect stop.
Could almost say it was perfect. You know, purring like a kitten. Perfect.
This is really boring. Drive there.
And go around a little bit. Maybe, just maybe. Maybe, just maybe.
Yeah, let's do it, guys. Let's do it, guys. Let's do a little fueling. Hop. Thank God I have an adventure bike. If I didn't have an adventure bike, I wouldn't be able to do that. Like, this bike is cocky. Like, seriously, this bike it's way cooler than any other bike. Way cooler. See, it's still Q. He's you see his mobile? Bad driver, no, bad driver. Yeah, my bike is the best. I'm actually listening to Children. That sounded really weird. By Robert Miles. Yeah. I should have told you I listened to Robert Miles with the song Children before I said I listened to Children, because that came off really weird. Whatever. She broke her leg. Oh, whole summer is almost ruined. Yeah, but like, seriously, you have to watch out for people that don't look where they drive, because like, you saw that Volvo, right? Like, he almost crashed into me, almost. Like, he saw me, but I don't know. Like, it wasn't so close. It will look on the video that I drove faster and that he drove faster, but I actually wasn't going so fast, and neither was he. But like, if it was faster, maybe, just maybe, we would have crashed. I don't know. But I'm super thankful I didn't. Ah, sport bike guys, nice. Like this, they sit on the hip like this. But they are teeny tiny people like this. I'm a big guy. Nice. But like my bike sounds better, way better. It sounds mean, it sounds angry. And the bigger bike, the bigger motor you have, the more it vibrates. But I mean, it's not that bad. Like some people, when I was looking to buy this bike, some people were complaining that this bike made them tingly in their fingers and in the feet. But I haven't even thought of it. Like it, yeah, you can feel some vibrations, but I mean, it's a motorcycle, right? Like if you don't want the vibrations, buy a Mercedes E-Class, right? Like seriously. You want the feeling of freedom, but you can't handle it. You can't handle the truth! Exactly. Dropped my bike. I was standing still. I forgot to put my side stand down, and I dropped it. And in mid-fall, I actually felt I dropped it. Like I was, you know, in the moment. I knew it. So I actually was able to light the fall a bit because I held. You know, I held it so it didn't fall so much. Oh, that's a cool car. Wow, that's a dragster. Nice. That's a really cool car. That's a really cool car, guys. Nice. You see, it did some burnouts. Sweet. No, it's time to go home. Have to buy some groceries. Yeah, like I said, my mind was wandering off a bit. Back to the point. But yeah, I dropped my bike, and but I don't want to make a insurance claim because, like, you can see it here a little bit, a little scratch there and here, but like the function is all good. The bike works perfectly. Like if you don't look for that I dropped the bike, you won't be able to see it, right? If I buy some spray paint, like chit chit, you won't be able to notice it at all, like at all. So it was very mild. Oh yeah, and as I wanted to say, even though this is a 250 kilo bike, I picked it up in 2 seconds. Like seriously, 2 seconds. Like it was super light to pick up. It has a low point of gravity, so it was really easy to pick up. When I took my driver's license, I dropped the learner bike, but he said it doesn't matter because I'm there to learn, right? And then I drove a BMW F750 GS, and that was way heavier to pick up than this. Like I actually struggled a bit, and that bike weighed 230 kilograms. This bike weighs 20 kilograms more. Like I didn't struggle, I'm strong, but like, you know what I mean, this was easier to pick up. It's like, if I compare it, it's like picking up a carton of milk and carrying a shopping bag home from the grocery store, let's say. Like it's still, like you can notice the difference, but it's just as easy, right? Oh, right in the hole. That's what she said. No, she said in the wrong hole. Like this bike is status. Like it's way cooler than any sport bike. Like, I mean, the Panigale V4 is a really sexy bike. I'm not gonna lie, but this is also very sexy bike. What the fuck? A gangster? A girl gangster? What? Ah. Finally. After 100,000 years, I got a green light. Green light, red light. See, it's perfect motorcycle weather. It's perfect! We made it, yes. You hear it roaring? Ah, it's so nice. Sounds so good. Ah. Oh, he got butthurt. Oh, he got passed by a bike. Oh no. So he had to overtake me and another car. Oh. Oh, his feelings got hurt. Who cares? Why is he blinking left and then like going straight ahead in the roundabout? That's so wrong. That's really wrong. Like, you can't be having your indicators turned on to go left in a roundabout and then go straight. Like, some people, they indicate left and then they go straight and then they indicate right. I'm actually going to show you guys something I did. What is he doing? Why is he braking? That annoying. Typical Volvo. Driving slow. You see that pipes? You see that pipes over there, up in the, on the, yeah, whatever. I did that. Two jobs ago, I did that. I worked as a refrigeration technician. Let's do like this. Let's do like this because we are a motorcycle. We can do this. Remember, guys, if you drive a motorcycle, you don't have to obey the queue laws. You can cut the traffic really easily. And people have to accept it. Yes, I made the green light. You see, if I didn't do that, if I wouldn't have done that, placed myself in the front, which is safer for me, because cars, right? People can't drive, apparently, as we saw, especially Volvo drivers. You see how it took his turn? Like, he almost crashed in the curb. He almost curbed the wheel, like, seriously. It's a Volvo thing. I think it's a Volvo thing. But if you drive a Passat like me, then you can drive. Passat life and adventure bike life.
Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope it was entertaining. And as always, please leave a like, subscribe and comment. And I'll see you in the next video.
So fast!